Mass Effect Legendary Edition is finally here, bundling up one of the best sci-fi trilogies ever committed to video game form. Along with the 3 games, nearly all of the DLC released for them is included. If you've been frying bacon in a skillet your whole life, you're not alone. We were once like you, but then a better method came into the picture, and we never looked back. There are numerous tweaks to make them a bit more friendly too, including a new, optional, legendary leveling system that makes it easier for players to max out their characters in a single playthrough. Join us. Cook bacon in the oven. Yes, it's time to stop frying and start baking. Needless to say, Mass Effect Legendary Edition is an interesting proposition not only for existing fans of the series, but also those who have never experienced it before. We've spent a short amount of time playing the PS4 version of Mass Effect Legendary Edition on a PS5 console, and we're very happy with it so far. This is the way it's done in most restaurant kitchens, because it allows for cooking big batches. The first Mass Effect is the game that has benefited most from the remaster process, originally released on Xbox 360 in 2007. It also keeps the burners free for other items and creates less mess. You can forget all about splatter. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, cooking bacon in the oven is great for getting extra crispy bacon if you use a wire rack. With much improved visuals and tweaks to both the camera and controls, it now offers an experience that's much more in line with its sequels. Yes, you can cook it directly on a sheet pan, but here's a pro tip. If you place the strips on top of a rack first, the bacon won't soak in its own grease and will turn out crispier in the end. Watch the video above for a quick demonstration, and for the rest of your days, bake that bacon. It does still look and feel antiquated in some ways, however. The user interface remains old-fashioned, for example, while the game's cover system is very clunky. Still, this is the best Mass Effect has ever looked or played, so there's not too much to complain about. When it comes to Mass Effect 2 and 3, while they were still released during the same console generation as the original Mass Effect, they were both very much improved in the gameplay and visuals department. They've still been on the receiving end of some TLC though, and so they also look and play better than ever. For those who loved Mass Effect 3's multiplayer, however, there's bad news. It's been cut out of this version. Improvements across all 3 games include updated textures, improved lighting, faster load times and more. Each game also now has 2 performance profiles, favoring frame rate or picture quality. If you're playing on PS5 or Xbox Series S, X via backwards compatibility, the game is aware so you can enjoy the best of both worlds. And for those who love capturing their video game journeys, a new photo mode has been added, allowing players to snap shots whenever a moment inspires them. With each game in the Mass Effect trilogy being a sizable affair, and their stories continuing on from one another, there's just one issue with the PS4 version of Mass Effect Legendary Edition: its install size. While on Xbox you can simply download the Mass Effect Legendary Edition launcher along with the first game and then download the other 2 games in the trilogy when you're ready to play them, on PS4 or PS5 you have to download all 3 games at once. That means Xbox players only need just over 20 GB of storage space to play. PS4 and PS5 players on the other hand, need over 100 GB. Of course, you can make use of external hard drives on both PS4 and PS5 to provide additional storage. And, being a PS4 game, you can even play Mass Effect Legendary Edition from an external hard drive on PS5. But still, it's something to consider if you own both Xbox and PlayStation consoles. We should also mention that those playing Mass Effect Legendary Edition on Xbox Series X will find that its favor frame rate setting targets 120 FPS, double that of the PS5. We'll have a review of Mass Effect Legendary Edition when we've been able to put more time into it, but we think it's pretty safe to say that it's a must-have for series fans and those who have been eager to jump into it.